Hi, let's solve one previous question of algorithm analysis. This question was asked in GATE CS 2021 set 1 question number 30. Consider the following recurrence relation. One recurrence relation is given. Which one of the following option is correct and four options are given. We cannot apply master theorem here as this recurrence relation is not in that divide and conquer format or decrease and conquer format. So cannot apply master theorem, but we can use back substitution method or recurrence tree method. Back substitution method will be little bit more complicated due to recurrence relation. So I will use the recursion tree method for solving this recurrence relation. Time for n is time for n divide 2 plus time for 2n divide 5 plus 7n. So we'll write 7n here. I already discussed how to create recurrence tree. Just go through my lecture, you can understand. Next, time for n divide 2 will be, in place of n, we're just writing n divide 2. So here we'll write n divide 2 divide 2. It will be n divide 4. Time for n divide 4 plus, in place of this n, we'll write n divide 2. It will be t of 2n divide 10. So in place of this n, we write n divide 2. 2 multiplication 5, it is 10 plus 7 multiplication n divide 2, 7n divide 2. So time for n divide 2 will be time for n divide 4 plus time for 2n divide 10, or we can say n divide 5 if you cancel the 2, and time will be 7n divide 2. Next, time for 2n divide 5 will be time for 2n divide 5 divide 2. It will be 2n divide 10 plus time for 4n divide 25. 2n divide 5 multiplication 2 by 5, it will be 4n divide 25 plus 7 multiplication this. It will be 7 multiplication 2, it will be 14 divide 5. The time for second level will be 7n divide 2 plus 14n divide 5, it will be 63n divide 10. Or you can consider some constant multiplied by n. Just consider the 63 divide 10 is some constant that is multiplied by n. Now for next level, time will be some constant multiplied by n. I am not going into details. Like this it will continue. So finally we will reach t of 1. Time for 1 will be time for 1 divide 2 plus time for 2 multiplication 1 divide 5. So you can say time for 1 by 2 and time for 2 by 5. And time for 2 divide 5. This 1 divide 2 value is less than 0. This 2 divide 5 is less than 0. So here we will stop. Now for this time will be 1. For this time will be 1. So here time will be 2. Now at this level, here it is 1. So 1 multiplication 7, it will be 7. And here are some leaves. So for that we can multiply with 7. Just consider this as some constant. Now understand this tree. Here at each level time is not same. Initially time is constant multiplied by n. At leaf level, at lower level time is some constant. Here it is 2. Here it is some constant. Here at middle it is some constant. So what is height of this tree? Just assume this as n divide 2 power k equals to 1. So 2 power k equals to n. K is log n. Now this height is log n. But this is not a complete tree. All leaves are not at lower level. All leaves are not here. So here may be some leaf, here may be some leaf. So all are not at same level. So this height may be different. This height may be different. Here the height is less than this. In this path height is log n. Here height is not log n. In this path height is some constant. So up to that constant height, time is c multiplied by n. After that time is some constant. Height is log n at highest path. At all path height is not log n. And up to some level, time is constant multiplied by n. After that time is just constant. This is not a complete binary tree. Leaf are not at same level. All leaf are not at lower level. So height is not log n at every path. In this path height is log n, whereas in this path height is some constant. Height is not same at every path. At lower level time will be some constant. You can mark here time is 2. Here time is some constant. Here time is some constant. So for time complexity, we need to add all these. Here's constant multiplied by n, constant multiplied by n, then constant multiplied by n. And how many time we'll add? Some constant time. After that, we'll add this constant. So it will be Cn plus Cn plus Cn plus Cn constant time. Then C plus C plus C. It will also add some constant time. So this addition will be Cn plus some constant. So this constant will ignore, time complexity will be theta of n. Some student may answer option B, it is theta of n log n, but this is wrong. Answer is theta of n. You might consider height as log n, then you might multiply Cn log n time, but you need to understand this tree. In this tree, height is not log n at every path. That's why we are multiplying n with constant time. So it is Cn. We'll not add this Cn log n time. We'll add this Cn constant time. That's why answer is option C, not option B. As height is not log n at every path. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.